Hello, David here, and the project for today is I'm showing you a business that does workouts on the body, and it uses a process that I've never heard before. So here we're at a company called The Body Street, and we are in Winter Park, Florida, and I urge you to come out and check it out for yourself. So I know nothing about this, so here we have
Steffen Brandt.
Steffen Brandt, and he's going to tell us all about the process.
Yes, and I'm happy to explain what we are doing. So I'm Steffen Brandt, as you might hear on my accent. I'm from Germany originally, and we brought this brand to the United States. I was member at Body Street in Germany for 5 years. They changed my life with this workout. So we do workouts with electrical muscle stimulation. Electrical muscle stimulation is like a shortcut into fitness. Imagine if you lift weights at the regular gym, your brain needs to send electrical impulses to your muscles in order the muscles to contract. So if muscles get electrical impulses, they contract. We take advantage of that, and we apply with our equipment electrical impulses directly to your muscles, which mimic the impulse that your brain will send, and we let the muscles contract 85 times per second. That means you do get a full body workout in 20 minutes once a week. For your body, the impact is like lifting weights for 3 hours with a personal trainer at the regular gym. That's why one 20-minute workout a week is all what it takes. And the reason why this is so new to the United States is these machines that we are using here just got cleared by the FDA a few years ago, so we had to wait for that. And then we opened the first location here in Winter Park. And hi, Kay. First location here in Winter Park. By the way, Kay is one of our members. Kay, say hello why you love Body Street.
Oh, I love Body Street.
And you're a member here for 5.5 years, right?
Since you opened.
Since we opened.
Yes.
Why do you love us?
Yes, because it's so good for you and it's so easy. You have no excuse to miss this once a week. How hard is that?
Thank you. This was not prompted.
And once a week is all you need. You don't have to do it a minimum of 3 times a week. Because when I work out, they say 3 times a week.
Not with this.
Yeah.
You do 3 times a week because you alternate your muscles, right? So you alternate the parts of the body that you work on. Here you get a full body workout in, so you should not do it more than maximum twice a week. So we just make it easy. We just do 1 workout a week. And I do these workouts now for 10 years. And that's everything I do. I do nothing else. And I just turned 50 a few weeks ago, and I'm pretty happy with the results. I feel like 30. And if you do research, there's one indicator for longevity, and longevity means living long healthy, and that's muscle, an age-appropriate amount of muscle. Most people don't have the time to do that, to go to the gym 3, 4, 5 times a week, so that's why with us there's no excuses anymore. You get in, 20-minute workout, and you're done for the week.
Yeah, you look very fit to me. You look like you're 30.
Thank you. I feel like 30. And we do free trials because we know this sounds too good to be true, and most things that sound too good to be true we are not. That's why we do free trials. We want everybody to come in and try it. Just check out our website. Just Google Body Street. We have 3 locations now in Florida. One here in Winter Park, one in Jupiter, and one in Mount Dora. And we hope to grow. We also look for franchise partners all over Florida.
Oh, great idea.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll start one in Seattle someday.
Yeah.
Well, we used to.
I know.
They're going to move from Texas.
Not that
to
I'm,
Tulsa,
Right?
They already moved.
Oh, sorry, I'm
They
sorry.
just sold their house. They're
So
gonna
how's
move
it
that.
feel to be in the trenches?
It's good. No, I love doing these workouts, but if I like the whole, and I'm like, that's a good way to describe it.
I don't feel vibration. I feel the electricity.
No, well, I don't feel electricity.
So the question was, do you feel electronic shock when the machine is on? And the answer is no. All you feel is a vibration that would be similar as if your phone was in your pocket and a call was coming in.
But you are the phone.
Yeah, so you're
It's
like,
like you are the phone.
you're the phone. Like, in other words, you become a giant vibrator.
That's a good way to
Area
say
is blowing up.
it. So you see, so this here is the back side. So this is upper back, mid back, and lower back.
So these panels are the electrodes.
Yes.
All
This
these
here's the
panels
front
that you
side.
see.
Front side, this is abs, and this is chest.
And are you wetting these down so they conduct?
Yes.
So they- yeah.
Water is a good conductor.
Water is a good conductor. In my world, wine is a better conductor.
Which is Orlando Health downtown. And this is how we do it. I want to see.
So Body Street is on the market already for 20 years in Germany. We have over 300 locations there.
So it's a proven philosophy.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think radiologists.
Well, I like the idea of not having to lift heavy barbells, you know?
It's very friendly for your joints because you
Yeah.
just work on the muscles. You're not putting
Yeah, that's right. It's not putting any strain on your joint, your hips or your shoulders or your knees.
purely on your muscles.
And that's exactly what weightlifting does, right? It's stretching muscles, and this is doing the same thing.
But with weightlifting, it has a heavy impact on your joints and your bones. So that's why especially elderly people can't lift heavy weights anymore because the joints might not support the weights.
Are bodybuilders using this? You know, the guys that do Mr. Universe or...
So if you look, I don't know about bodybuilders, but we have a few here who built this into their workout routine. So they get the full body workout in.
Where is she?
What I'm trying to ask then is, do you get the muscle striations that the bodybuilders get using this?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Even better because with there's two fibers in the muscle. Muscle is made out of two fibers. It's fast twitch and slow twitch. So one is responsible for strength and the other fiber is responsible for explosive power, so for power and endurance. With this workout, we work on both fibers at the same time. So that's why professional athletes love this. It gives them like an unfair advantage because they work on power, strength and endurance at the same time without the risk of injury.
That was,
Well, that's awesome.
And I can tell you, 20 minutes once a week is better than going to the gym.
After 20 minutes,
3 days a week.
after 20 minutes, do you feel refreshed or tired, or both?
I feel exhausted to a certain extent.
Okay. So you feel
But
like
not to the point that you can't move.
Yeah.
Just to a point that you feel like you've accomplished something.
like when you walk out of the gym, you want to sit down and have a juice.
You got it.
Yeah.
You guys ready? All right. So let's go ready for the basic squat. Push the booty back. Up. Up. Get ready. Down. So if you want to come over, I can show you what's going on here on the display. So with all these little knobs, I'm in control of the different muscle groups, the different electrodes. So every member has a different profile here, and we save the data on these cards. So if the people come in the week after, we start right where they ended up at, and that allows us also to track the progress and to push them a little bit harder every week. And the impulse is going to work for 4 seconds and it pauses for 4 seconds. So red means the impulse works. The members try to squeeze all muscles. On green, they just shake off, relax. On yellow, get ready. And red, hold in position again for 4 seconds.
Okay, so tell me about oxygenating the blood going to the muscle. Are they trying to breathe in at a certain point and then exhale as much as possible? Is that the deal?
It doesn't matter when they inhale or exhale, it's just important that they don't hold the breath. Because we are used to holding the breath when we lift, but if we lift weights, we just lift 1 or 2 seconds. Here it's 4 seconds. You don't want to hold your breath for 4 seconds, because then you don't get enough oxygen. So we just make sure that they don't hold the breath during the impulse. The first 2 minutes we do the warm-up. That's why we do 2 minutes of basic squats, and we dial them up to a certain level. And it takes about 2 minutes to get all the muscles warmed up, which is another few seconds. And I just grab some towels. Because they might.
compared to film. We can't take 2 steps.
Perfect, guys.
And you can isolate the different muscle groups by the control panel.
Yes, you're gonna see how we isolate them in a second. So final basic squat for the warm-up. So we are done with the warm-up already. So after this one, guys, Gary and Lydia, go into a sumo squat position and bring your elbows together in front of your chest. Imagine you want to squeeze something between the elbows. Try to be in this position before the impulse hits. Roll the shoulders back, go down, get ready, and squeeze. So with this, we isolate different muscle groups, right? Here, the sumo squat is different muscles here, but main focus of this exercise is the pecs, the chest. Perfect. 4 more of these. Roll the shoulders back. And this here is the benefit of a personal trainer. We make sure that they do the position in the right way to activate the right muscle groups. 3 more of these.
Can I ask you to tighten up here?
Another 2.
And now, what's going to happen later, I'm going to probably tell you to back it up.
Yep. Final one. Final one.
So that's where the control panel can customize the effect
So
on
back to
certain
the
parts of
basic
your
squat.
body.
Basic squat. And this basic squat allows me to explain what we do next. After this one, stay in the squat position, bring your elbows close to your hips and push the underarm straight back. Let the thumbs point down, weight it. With this here we work on the triceps mainly. Shake it off. 3 more of these. Get ready, squeeze the triceps, hold it, hold it, hold it. Perfect, another 2 of these.
Livers. I used to use them machines in California for livers.
Yes.
Liver cancer.
These.
The
Perfect, final one, final
I
one.
think they called it a lever. It was,
I think
Get ready.
it was the big monster
Perfect.
machine. It was
After this one, same thing, just twist the thumbs out and up and pinch your shoulder blades together. With this one, we work on the different part of the triceps and we also work on the back. 3 more of these. And you see me guiding the members through a fixed set of exercises. You see it here. So we guide them through 2 more. Certain set of exercises, final one, and with that we work our way through the whole body.
One was like 20 miles.
Perfect. Back to the basic squat. Back to the basic squat. So after this basic squat, we do the Superman. So grab the bar with the left hand, hold the bar, right arm up to where the ear is, and the opposite leg out. Opposite leg, Gary, opposite leg. Stretch out, make yourself as long as you can. Gary, also try to make a grip that you also make a fist that you also work on the grip. Perfect. Stretch out, make yourself as long as you can.
Well, yeah.
Right leg forward. Leg straight. Yes, perfect. Final one. And final one, final one. Perfect. After this one, back to the basic squat.
All right, I'll be right back. Okay.
After this basic squat, we work on your core. So after this one, make a step forward with your right foot, push the hands together in front of your chest, keep the hands in front of the zipper and rotate your upper body towards the right side. Yes. To that side, Gary. Gary? Okay. The other side. Get forward. Yes. So the muscles contract 85 times per second. 2 more of these. 85 times per second. So during this workout, the muscles contract 51,000 times. Final one, final one. Ready? Perfect. After this one, switch sides. Left leg to the front, lean forward, push the hands together and rotate to your left. Now to that side. Perfect. It gives them an unfair advantage because you can't get a better core workout than this. Imagine your muscles contract 85 times per second doing this. Back to the basic squat. Basic squat. So after this one, raise one knee up, pull the elbows back behind your neck, and then just push the hands up, 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 up. Perfect. Same side, same thing. With this one, we work on the balance, as you can see, and also on shoulders, triceps, biceps. 2 more of these. But main goal here is to keep your eyes open, Gary, then it's easier to keep the balance. Just stare at one point, focus on one point. Perfect. Push up, 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 up. Perfect. Switch sides. Switch sides. Other knee up, pull the elbows, arms back, and slow and controlled push up. Perfect. 3 more. 3 more of these. Pull back. These. Wait until the impulse hits. Nice. Another 3. And you have 10 minutes in. Perfect. 2 more. Lean forward, suck the belly in. And final one. Final one. Push against my hands. Perfect, perfect, perfect. 2 more of these. Hold it up. So this is an incredible workout for the shoulders, as you can see. Final one, final one. Hold it up. Perfect. And switch sides. Switch sides. I switch sides as well. Switch sides, Gary. Perfect. Pull the elbows up, 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 up. And push against my hands. Push against my hands. Perfect. 3 more of these. Elbows up. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Perfect. 2 more of these. Squeeze. Perfect. Final one without me. Pull the elbows up. Awesome. Back to the basic squat. After this basic squat, grab the bar. Nice. 3 more of these. Awesome. Another 2. 1 more on this side. Push the hip forward. Keep the glutes engaged. Rotate to your right and crunch down. Perfect. Now switch sides. Rotate to your left and crunch up. Perfect. Hold it. Nice. Final one. Final one. Perfect. Back to the basic squat. Back to the basic squat. Now that we are almost done, we do the winner's pose, which means a front lunge, right to the front, arms out, and biceps curl. Imagine you want to show off here. Hold the fist towards your shoulders. I'm going to bring up your arms by a few points here. Get ready. Squeeze. Awesome. Work on these guns. Perfect. 2 more. 2 more. Get ready. Pull it in. Pull it in. Pull it in. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Final one. Final one. Final one.
That analogy of a cell phone vibrating.
Switch side. Switch side. Switch one. Bring both feet together. Make fists. Cross your arms. Go down nice and deep. Wait until the impulse hits, and then stretch up, 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 on your tippy toes. Up, 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 up. Perfect. 3 more of these. Wait until it hits, and go up, 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 up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Perfect. 2 more. 2 more. Get ready. And up, 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 up.
The week is over.
Yes.
All right, it's been 20 minutes and the workout is over. Everyone feels like they had a full workout, and this is all you need to do once a week for your workout. It's going to save a lot of time. And
Perfect.
the clients love it. They always come back for more, and I think you guys ought to try it if you have one in your locality. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe,
Thank you, guys.
and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO. So folks, this technology is so new you probably won't find it in your locality. You'll have to search hard or come to Winter Park, Florida. And there,
Search for EMS workouts.
Oh,
You
yeah.
might find some
Okay.
personal trainers who do concierge service who come to your home. And there's some other branches who kind of like pop up here and there. But Body Street, we are the original from Germany. We are again on the market for 20 years. We just started opening up locations here in Florida.
okay. So if you didn't hear that, search for EMS workouts, and that should get you in the ballpark. The ballpark of Winter Park.